MQ-9 is called the Reaper for a reason. This name was not given by accident. The MQ-9 Reaper is an unmanned aerial vehicle used by the United States Air Force, but this is not your average drone. It can conduct surveillance and carry out strikes. This dual capability is exactly what the name Reaper is built upon. Let's go back in time a little. The MQ-9's predecessor, the MQ-1 Predator, entered the scene in the 1990s. The Predator was primarily designed for surveillance, and its weapons capacity was quite limited. But as military needs evolved, there was a demand for a more powerful, faster platform capable of carrying more weapons. The MQ-9 was developed as a direct response to that need, and when developers were looking for a name for this new system, they made a symbolic choice. The Predator hunted its prey. The Reaper finished the job. The word Reaper refers to someone who harvests crops, but culturally, it carries a much deeper meaning. The Grim Reaper, a figure deeply embedded in Western culture, represents death itself. A figure that arrives with a scythe, symbolizing an end with no escape. When the US Air Force settled on this name, the message was clear. This system finds its target and gets the job done. Now let's look at the technical side. The MQ-9 Reaper can fly at 50,000 feet, roughly 15,000 meters in altitude. It can stay airborne for 27 hours straight. During that time, an operator thousands of miles away can manage the entire operation from a control station. The drone can carry Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 paveway bombs, and various precision-guided munitions. Its total weapons payload is approximately 1,700 kilograms. On top of that, its advanced onboard cameras and sensors allow it to conduct surveillance day and night and continuously monitor large areas. So how has this drone actually been used in the real world? The MQ-9 Reaper has been actively deployed in numerous operational theaters, including Afghanistan, Iraq, Iran, Syria, Libya, and Yemen. One of the most high-profile operations took place in January 2020. Qasem Soleimani, commander of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps' Quds Force, was killed near Baghdad in an MQ-9 strike. That operation once again demonstrated to the entire world the strategic weight drone technology carries in modern warfare. One of the Reaper's most critical features is the fact that it's unmanned. It can operate in high-risk zones without putting a pilot in danger. A pilot gets tired, experiences stress, and those factors can affect decision-making. But a drone operator works in a safe environment thousands of miles away. This both increases operational continuity and minimizes the risk of human casualties. Of course, the ethical dimensions of this are quite debated, but that's a topic for a separate video. At the end of the day, the name Reaper was chosen with full intention. It reflects not just the technical capability of a weapon system, but the psychological message it carries. Find the target, complete the mission, and keep the operator safe. The MQ-9 Reaper does exactly these three things, and its name summarizes all three of them perfectly.